versatility of cable ties is rivaled only by duct tape, whether you're securing cupboard doors, MacGyvering a belt, or actually bundling cables. No matter the use case, the Panduit cable tie installation hand tools make quick work of cable tie installations in low to medium volume applications. The tools come in multiple variations for different tie types and sizes, from sub-miniature to extra heavy cross-section cable ties. They feature a beveled tie entry to speed installation while reducing the impact to the installer's hand by more than 40%. They feature a tension adjustment knob that will cut the cable tie once the set tension has been met. The cutting leaves a clean tab that won't be scratching unsuspecting engineers during maintenance. And the lightweight and durable design improves productivity to provide the lowest total installed cost.